What in the mumbo jumbo is this? Happy Diwali guys, hope you all are having a good time with your family. Today's video is gonna be like super awesome because I have something exciting to show you all. It's a brand new wireless Dolby ATMOS home theater system. A new model from Sony recently launched in the market. It's called as the Bravia Theater Bar 8 and it's like a full-on wireless home theater system. Comes with a powerful wireless subwoofer and also comes with like wireless rear satellite speakers, and the whole thing can easily produce around like 795 watt of total output guys. And let me tell you, this is a 11.1.2 channel home theater system, that too with Dolby ATMOS and all the top-notch features including Sony's 360 spatial sound mapping. Now I'm like very excited to talk about this thing in this video, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. Our brand new wireless home theater from Sony came in this sort of packaging. I've told you right, model is called as Bravia Theater Bar 8, and along with this we are also getting the complete kit guys, including wireless subwoofer and also rear satellite speakers. On the front you just have the Sony branding and the model mention. Going to the top you can check out all of its features, which we'll anyhow cover in this video at a later part. Keeping that aside, this is the subwoofer I was talking about. Model is SW3 and the rear satellite speakers as well. All of these come in the separate packaging. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Starting off with the soundbar, as soon as you open it you get an accessory box over here which includes some freebies as well, like a free HDMI cable, 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable, mains cord is also there, 2 AAA batteries for the remote, and this is your brand new remote control for the soundbar. Very sleek looking and compact design, right? And lastly, you're also getting wall mounting kit included for the soundbar in the package guys. You're getting some clamps and installation screws as well. And that's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me finally open the soundbar and show you how it looks like. And my god, that is one large soundbar, I have to say guys. Obviously you're getting 11 speakers on board. So we'll come back to the soundbar again. Keeping that aside, let's also quickly unpack the subwoofer and rear satellite speakers. Subwoofer also comes in a very nice packaging. As soon as you open it, you get some paperwork at the top side, followed by a mains cord included in the package, and that's it. And this is the subwoofer I was talking about. Again, the subwoofer and rear satellite speakers are optional guys, so you can completely customize the audio system as per your requirements. Say suppose you only want the soundbar, yes, you can only buy the Theater Bar 8 as well. I'll talk about the pricing and all the details in this video, so don't skip any part. And here it is boys, our all new SW3 wireless subwoofer from Sony, and comes with a 160mm powerful woofer driver unit on board. And lastly, these are your rear satellite speakers. Model is RS3S, and as I've told you, these are also completely wireless guys, and in the package you're getting 2 mains cord each for each speaker unit and some paperwork. Very premium looking design, right? The subwoofer and the rear satellite speakers have a similar omnidirectional block design. What I'll do is I'll quickly set up the home theater system, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue this video. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. It's been quite some time I've been using this brand new home theater system from Sony, and today in this video I'll be sharing like a detailed feedback and experience on this product. There are a lot of points I'll be talking about guys, all of its pros and cons as well, and I'm pretty sure all your questions will be answered in this video about the sound quality, how is the surround sound experience, special features like that 360 spatial sound mapping. So make sure to watch this video till the end and do not skip any part. First of all, let me tell you about the setup and connectivity. Setting up this soundbar was like very simple. First of all, remember it's a completely wireless home theater system, right? So that makes things quite simple. All you need to do is download Bravia Connect app on your phone, available on both Android and iOS as well, and simply follow the on-screen instructions, and that's it. The whole setup will be done in less than 5 to 10 minutes. Now, not just the soundbar, if you talk about the subwoofer and satellite speakers, remember they are also like completely wireless, right? So all you need to do is just plug them in and press the link button on them, and that's it. They'll automatically sync and connect with the main soundbar unit. But one thing I do have to mention, which I faced during the setup part, is since all the units are like wireless, you're getting wireless subwoofer, wireless rear satellite speakers, right? Each of them has their own mains cord, so you'll obviously need like multiple number of plug points guys. I wish, at least for the rear satellite speakers, Sony could have included one mains cord unit, but no, each satellite speaker has its own mains cord, so this is something you might have to keep in mind. Again though, those are optional additional accessories. In case if you don't want them, you can only buy the soundbar as well. But the kind of experience you'll get once you add like a subwoofer and also like satellite speakers, right? You'll get like a true surround experience. We'll definitely come there and talk about the whole cinematic experience as well in a moment. And talking about the connectivity, you can very easily connect the soundbar to your TV. You're getting both HDMI in and HDMI out port is also there this time on the HTA8000. That is the actual model of the Theatre Bar 8. And apart from that, one thing it was missing is I didn't find any digital optical port, guys. I don't know why Sony has not included that. But apart from that, Bluetooth mode is also there. And let me tell you, soundbar supports like very premium codecs as well. Not just your SBC AAC for Bluetooth, you're also getting LDAC support as well with high resolution audio in both wired and wireless mode. So that is something I'm really looking forward to talk about. And not only that, you're also getting like really good pass-through features as well. Not just 4K 60, you're getting support for 4K 120, 8K 60 HDR pass-through is also there. And yes, the soundbar is Dolby Vision compatible and supports Dolby ATMOS as well. So let me give you like a closer look at the soundbar and first of all talk about the design and build quality part. See, Bravia Theatre Bar 8 has a very premium look and feel. Entire body is covered in this cloth fabric sort of material and definitely adds a touch of luxury over here. But during my usage, I definitely felt the maintenance of this kind of material is a bit difficult, guys, because it's fabric, right? Very easily attracts dust and is quite visible on the surface. So my only advice would be keep cleaning the soundbar every 2 to 3 days to keep it looking neat, guys. So this is also something you'll have to keep in mind. But one thing I have to mention is as soon as you unbox and get your hands on the soundbar, right, look at the size of this thing. This is one massive soundbar. Obviously you're getting 11 drivers on board. The length of this soundbar is easily around like 3 feet 9 to 10 inches, guys. And if you are having like a small 43 or 50 inch TV, right, the soundbar would not even fit in between the TV legs, guys. I mean, look at this. We have a Sony Bravia 55 inch TV over here and the soundbar barely sits on top of the legs. Build quality of the soundbar is also very nice. Entire body is made of a polycarbonate material and as I've told you guys, front and the top area is completely wrapped in a fabric sort of material. Having a closer look at the back side, here you'll find a couple of ports which include a mains cord port and on the other side you're getting some ports which include HDMI in, HDMI out is also there, and as I've told you, HDMI 2.1 certified and also supports EARC as well. So that was our complete overview on the soundbar. Let me also give you a closer look and talk about the subwoofer design as well. So today in the home we have Sony's SA-SW3 wireless subwoofer which literally features like a 160mm woofer driver unit along with a bass reflex design, and the subwoofer alone can produce almost like 200 watts of output, guys. Like imagine the kind of bass this thing can produce. There you go. Here's how the rear satellite speakers look like. The model is SA-RS3S and these are also wireless units each, guys. And talking about the driver configuration, each of the satellite speakers feature a two-way system. That means you're getting onboard woofer plus tweeter unit along with a tiny bass reflex port, and each of the satellite speakers can easily produce around like 50 watts of output. So totally surround experience you can get around like 100 watts of audio output, guys. So before we move on and talk about the sound quality, first of all let me give you a closer look at the soundbar and talk about the driver configuration. It's a 5.0.2 channel soundbar and literally features 11 speaker units on board. On the front you're getting quad woofer driver units, that too is Sony's unique X-Balance design and paired with two-way system as I've told you, right. You're also getting like tweeters as well. Totally on the front side you're getting 7 driver units which act as your left channel, right channel and center speakers as well. Now having a look at the left profile and right profile, here you're getting side firing driver units as well. And last but not the least, at the top side also you're getting 2 vertical speakers at an angled position that hit the ceiling, reflect and give you like a true Dolby ATMOS sort of experience. So totally soundbar alone is like a 5.0.2 channel system that can roughly produce around like 495 watts of output, and pair this thing with a 200 watt wireless subwoofer and also 100 watts of rear satellite speakers. Totally you can expect around like 795 watts of 11.1.2 channel home theater Dolby ATMOS system. As I've told you, I've been using this home theater system for quite some time and watched a variety of content, not just like music videos on YouTube. I've watched a couple of movies as well, and also web series and shows on OTT platforms, and did a bit of gaming as well. And I'm telling you, right, overall audio experience was like mind blowing, guys. Next level stuff. There was good amount of detail, and no matter what sort of content you're watching, right, excellent vocal clarity. Talking about the treble performance was also very good. It was producing like silky smooth treble with minimum harshness. And coming to the bass, first of all, let me tell you about the soundbar alone. Soundbar was definitely producing like decent amount of bass, because you're getting like quad woofer driver units on board, right? So it was producing decent bass on its own. But once you connect that external wireless subwoofer, right, the SW3, to this overall home theater system, it was taking your low frequency performance to next level, guys, because there you are getting like a powerful 160 woofer driver unit with a bass reflex port, right? So it was definitely producing like powerful and punchy bass, and especially whenever you're watching movies or any sort of game content with a lot of gun firings or bomb blast sounds, right, the low frequency rumble it was producing was like pretty good, guys, and satisfactory experience I was getting. Also, guys, before you people directly start using the soundbar, don't forget to calibrate the sound settings using Sony's sound field optimization feature, guys, because the kind of difference it offers, right, night and day difference is what I can say. Soundbar has like a built-in microphone and also utilizes your phone's microphone to detect the position wherever you're in your room, and tries to offer you the best possible audio experience, guys. Basically creates like a 360 spatial sound mapping feature and gives you like a very cinematic and surround sound experience. Okay, I know you people are quite curious about this part and ask about like how is the Dolby ATMOS effect and surround sound experience. And let me tell you, first of all, there are so many soundbars in the market that say they support Dolby ATMOS. But see, guys, to be really honest, right, to give you that realistic Dolby ATMOS sort of experience, your soundbar definitely needs to have like top firing speakers. Without that, you're not going to get that height and depth in the Dolby ATMOS effect, guys. So over here in the case of theater bar, right, obviously you're getting two top firing speakers that are at an angled position that produce sound which hit the ceiling, reflect, and give you like a very realistic surround sound experience. And not only that, you're also getting Sony sound field optimization and 360 spatial sound mapping, right, which not just utilize your physical speakers at the backside but also create like phantom speakers at certain positions to give you that complete 360 cinematic sound experience. And as I've told you, I've watched like variety of content, movies, a couple of web series as well, and especially when, you know, planes and helicopters were flying over here, you could definitely feel that 3D sort of effect, guys, and that was giving you like a very immersive sort of experience. If you ask about the audio output, I've told you, right, the soundbar alone has like 11 speakers and can produce around 495 watts of output. Pair that with 200 watt subwoofer and 100 watt satellite speakers, totally you're getting 795 watts, nearly 800 watts of output, guys. And on a day-to-day sort of usage, honestly saying, I couldn't go beyond like 60% volume level, guys. If you actually go, right, I'm pretty sure your neighbors will start complaining, and you don't want that to happen. And talking about the distortion also like very minimum. As I've told you, I couldn't go beyond 70-75% volume level. It is like pretty high, guys, and more than enough for your day-to-day sort of needs. We're almost coming to an end, so let me also quickly show you the soundbar's remote control. There you go, here's how it looks like. You're getting a compact and slim form factor remote, and actually looks kind of cute, I would say. You're getting most of the buttons over here, like volume adjustment is there, bass level adjustment, sound field optimization mode, and also input source select. Lastly, two special modes are also there, voice zoom mode and a night mode option is also available. Only a couple of things if I had to nitpick about the soundbar, right? I wish it had some sort of physical buttons or even like touch buttons on the soundbar unit as well, for maybe like a quick access to the menu or adjust the volume, change between different modes. Since that is not there, you'll have to rely on the remote control or use the Bravia Connect app on your phone. Lastly, I didn't find any EQ customization options on both the remote or even the app, guys. Only thing you can adjust is the bass level. Apart from that, there is no option to adjust the treble or the mid level. So I wish, Sony could give like a small update at least for the Bravia Connect app and offer these features. So that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got all the information you're looking for. So let me also tell you about the pricing details. The theater bar rate, only the sound bar alone costs around 79,899 rupees. And if you're talking about the wireless subwoofer, model is SW3, that is roughly priced around 25,899. And the rear wireless speakers RS3S are priced around 29,899 rupees. I'll leave links for all of them in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching the video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.